Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Actually guys, the total size is 4.5 hectares. Then, the owner allow portion. So, they allow portion. Actually, someone was already buying a portion of this property. So, gipalitan na nila portion. So, the price is 300 pesos per square meter. Kanang kuan man ni guys, kanang 4.5 hectares niya kay lisod man halinon kay ay lang presyo sakto-sakto magid pod. Mao na nga idea sa seller, sugot siya portion pero na siya gitawag og minimum 5,000 to 6,000 square meters. So mao ni status ayo ta guys. Actually it's really a good soil kay kuan man ni siya guys, yuta gyud tanan, all are soil, no rocks, way mga bato. Then one buyer who bought a portion of this property, gihimo niya nga manukan. So meaning kung silingan ta na mga manukan man, mga hiniktan ba guys, kanang rooster. So sigurado ko nga medyo kuan gyud pod, mao ni tinuod ba kay nang uban dili ganahan bitaw kayo makasilingan og daghang manok kay nga foreigners hasulan gyud sila. Nitugtugaog kada buntag or sa unsa nga oras, ma-bother gyud. Pero kung gusto lang ka farming, like planting any kinds of crops, pwede ra gyud kaayo. So mao na guys, sugot si seller 5,000 to 6,000 square meters. Na pa may nabilin gyud, wala pa man ni mahurot. So mao na guys, the property is located in Barangay Cano-Cano, Tabugon, Cebu. So northern part of Cebu province. Mo connect ni siya guys paingon dito sa Pica side sa may coastal area, kini nga road from Tabugon, Ilihan Tabugon nya mo connect ngadto sa kita og Barangay Labangon. Ay Labangon diha sa Tabugon guys, apoy Labangon, Cebu City. So di aritas Labangon, Tabugon. So mao na ang manukan guys. So kanang naisin diha, no, kana mao na guys, manukan nga hiniktan or kanang para cockfighting. So mao nay nakakuan. So this portion is still available. Mao na guys. Atulay final ha kay taon na ra ba niya, nakita nako nga video nako ba taon na. Basta according to my contact person in that place, that this they're still available, but I think this one still available. Kay di man dyan na madali kahali na yun ta guys, kuhan man yun. So mo na no, it's along concrete road nya. Water, I think there is a water in the area, no, kanang water bang linya, water line connection niya, signal is good. So mo ni nakanindot sa property po guys kay all are flat terrain. Taon na gyud po, pero I think nga naapag yun tong manukan guys. So mo na status, no. So I repeat, the total area is 45,000 square meters. Then there are already buyers have taken the portions, and there's still remaining. It's more than I think it's more than 2 hectares. So owner will allow a portion of 5,000 to 6,000 square meters minimum cutting. So okay sila yung anana guys, pero ang presyo is 300 pesos per square meter. It's a title property, na ko'y copy sa title honestly lang. So there's no problem, no. Basta ang lugar guys, the neighbor is having a cockfighting kanang farm. Then mao na to, kung if you are interested, just contact me, because they're still available on the property. So there are also parts that has coconut trees and several mango trees. So mao na status guys, no. Basta both sides kanang coastal road or interior road are concrete road. So maayog yung karsada. Approximately less than an hour from Bugo City, Cebu. Kay pabor man ni sa Bugo guys, Bugo City. So mao na siya guys. Gabi naman to na pag-ari nako. So ato na lang gi vlog og appeal kay according to my contact person, there is still available the same size. I don't know na ba pwede nakapalit lain, pero according to my contact person in the area nga there's still available portion. So mo na to, minimum of 5 to 6,000 square meters ang gialaw. See, kana nga side pod appeal pa na guys, kana still part of the property. Dako man gud. Okay. This one still part of the property. Pwede ari sad ka mo pili guys, distansya sa Manukan. And this is the road going to the highway guys, no. Dili kayo dako, not too big, but it's a concrete road. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. By the way guys, kining mga lugar guys kanang katubuhan ba sa kanang sugar cane farm. Farm na mga tubo. Mana nahitabos location guys. Katubuhan. Okay. Unya layo naman ni sa location o sa area. Approximately mga 1 kilometer kapin naman. Naay poultry diha guys. Naay poultry. Pero layo na, di na nimo baho. You cannot smell the poultry because that poultry is also an aircon poultry. So okay ra gyapon. So at least natay farmland for sale at 300 pesos per square meter. You can have a cutting of 5,000, 6,000 or even 1 hectare or more. So mao na guys. Nindot kayong lugar good, honestly lang. Kay kuan man kanang good environment. Yeah, neighborhood adto guys. There is a neighborhood school. Unahan tog eskwelahan. Okay, thank you.